Hey guys, this is Patrick with John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating and Air, and welcome to Charlie's How To for Homeowners. Today we're going to be talking about water pressure. So as I stated before, we're going to be talking about water pressure. It is the main vein of your entire plumbing system. So what you'll need today is a water pressure gauge. You can purchase these at Home Depot or Lowe's for about $5 to $15. And then next, what you're gonna need to do is locate your whole home shutoff. And I wanted to talk a little bit about this particular setup here. It can be located in your front yard, backyard, or you're in your garage. If you're having any trouble locating this to get a pressure reading, you can contact one of our partnered licensed professionals or us here at John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating and Air. This right here is your whole home shutoff. You have a pressure regulator valve and a hose bib. Per California Plumbing Code, it says that your PSI should be anywhere between 25 and 80. We here at John Stevenson recommend that it is anywhere between 50 and 65 PSI. So the definition of PSI is pounds per square inch. Now I'm going to show you how to properly put this on to your hose bib. Place it on, turn it clockwise. Then with your channel locks, you're going to want to give it a nice quarter turn to get it snug so you have no leaks. Next, you want to make sure that there's no fixtures in the home running. Then you're going to open up your hose bib and you will get your reading here on your pressure gauge, and it should read anywhere between 50 to 65. Now, I'm going to show you guys a live pressure reading. Here we are at our live hose bib in our warehouse. I'm going to now demonstrate what the accurate pressure reading should be. So again, like I stated before, you're going to put the pressure gauge on and turn it clockwise. Get it nice and snug, and then with your channel locks, give it a corner turn, and then open her up. As you can see, we're sitting right at 55 PSI, so our pressure regulator is good to go. Thank you guys for watching Charlie's How To for Homeowners. Please like, subscribe, and share, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.